I'm Jim Kircher. Gotta love airplanes. I mean, they fly, right? Great form of transportation, fun to watch at an air show, but now the science, that's really something. And that's the reason the Spirit of St. Louis Air Show for the last couple of years has also been a STEM Expo, a whole section of the airport set aside for science, technology, engineering, math exhibits, and activities. The air show was on a Saturday and Sunday. We went on Friday because that's when 1,000 school kids came in for a day of aviation, of robots, and even smoke rings.
Every year, Chesterfield Airport puts on the STEM Expo, and the kids get some hands-on experience with STEM activities just to pique their interest and get them thinking about careers that could be focused in the sciences, the math, and engineering.
I'm excited about the cool things that we can learn in the airplanes.
With there being such a large air show and bringing in all this aviation and working with companies like Boeing for the air show, it seems to just make sense to have like this STEM Expo and show other aspects of STEM. Like STEM is all throughout aviation, but it's also through a lot of these other companies and a lot in like students' everyday life. So it seemed to only make sense to have students come experience STEM.
So these are called air vortex cannons. An air vortex cannon has the air inside of it, and the ones over there, they're pulling back, which is pulling more air in and pushing the fog out. And it makes a vortex pattern with the smoke.
I like this. So what this is telling us, girls? It's part of Racing Academy, and they are trying to figure out why I tell them every day that pi is 3.14. So they're measuring the distances of the diameters and then the traveling of one rotation, and they're coming to the conclusion that no matter what size of the tire, that it's going to be 3.14, and that's where we derive pi from and how we use that in real-world applications.
I would love to see them getting out just like how is STEM used in their everyday life, or what does a career in STEM look like, and why is it important now that we start paying attention to our science and technology and engineering and math teachers. And I would love to just get kids hooked a little bit more, and like eventually maybe it'll drive them into a career in STEM or into studying STEM later on.
I want to be an engineer.
I want to be an engineer too, so you can come up with many more ideas that will help people in the future.